Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go. Angela.
No, you.
Oh yeah, I'm Angela.
Oh.
No, accent.
Come on, let's go.
Terrible.
Okay. What is your full name?
Antonio Stanley Garza.
Oh, that kills me. Who is? Oh,
What is your gender? And don't lie to me. Figure it out. Don't lie to me.
Mexican.
No.
Gender, male, female.
Male
or female.
What am I?
Oh God. I didn't know Mexican was a gender, so I don't know how to take male or female.
Let's restart that
If I
one.
say female.
Well, I'll ask your mother.
Male.
You're male. Okay, good.
Oh, okay. Just be completely honest, or else we'll hunt you down. No, we'll figure everything out. I got your birth certificate at my house.
Why would you?
Okay, next question. Let's go. Creeper.
1994.
Where?
Oh, where?
Wait, where and when?
Where?
Where?
St. Joe's Hospital.
When?
April 3rd, 1990.
Oh, that's the day after me. That's creepy.
Yeah.
Okay, that's creepy. Hey, you just asked mine.
Oh.
Where do you live? I don't really want to know. I really don't want to know.
Where do you live?
Make up an address. I really don't want to know.
That's alright. I already know where you live. It's all good. I already got that.
Okay, next question.
Zimbabwe.
Really? That's I heard
out here every month.
Okay, next question. Stop being friendly with the suspect. Hey! No, okay.
No, I get to answer. No, I made it.
I'm asking the question. Shut up. Bring your turn.
What?
Go.
No, it's fine. She asked 2 questions though. That's not fair.
Okay, whatever. Just
I'll skip this one. You can ask me that protects. What is your mother's maiden name?
Angela Garza?
No, her maiden name, before she was married.
Name she had before she was married to your father.
Oh.
you don't know.
You don't know, do you?
Angela Burkett. Burkett, what is your last name?
If it was Garza, I'd be like, oh, keeping it in the family.
No.
Oh, my name reminds me of that one girl, Arquette. She's Spanish.
Okay, come on.
Keep going. What do you look for in Amanda? I mean, a woman.
Right, yeah.
You know what? Answer the damn question.
Are these questions necessary?
Yes.
Yes! No, you don't ask the question.
Somebody needs to smack him around him and he's going to ask you back.
Okay, next question. You're putting way too much on the spot. Next question.
Answer the question.
I'm saving you here, Tony. Next question.
Answer the question. What do you look for in Amanda? I mean, a woman.
We were skipping that question.
No, we weren't.
No, we weren't.
No, we weren't.
No, we're not.
No,
I need to help you out, Tony.
You like
100%
funny people.
Yeah.
You don't have to be Amanda.
About like 5'7".
Look for a woman.
Wears
You want to know this.
she's wearing boy shorts. With umbrellas on. Yellow.
Okay.
Next
Say all of the above. All of the above.
Okay, what would you want?
Say it.
What would you want from her?
What do you want? I'm being honest. I'm being honest. Okay.
Would you just want an honest relationship? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Because
We're gonna have to talk.
if we find out you're treating her bad or you're cheating on her,
I will
we're
cut
kill
your
you.
balls off.
Tony, I won't put this on YouTube. No YouTube.
Oh, that'd be rude.
We're not doing it.
No, this is for own personal.
Are you nervous?
I mean, because we know
She's concerned.
Yeah, she's concerned.
Yeah, she really is.
She was against this whole idea.
Okay, we're done. Okay, good.
Are we done?
Last and final question.
Man or woman?
Man or woman? And you better answer good because I'll kill you.
Man.
Good.
Oh.
We're done.
You blew